fuzzy baby cartoon. Bingo's ball is gone.
Bingo and I were playing fetch, playing fetch, playing fetch. Bingo and I were playing fetch one sunny day. I threw the ball a bit too far, bit too far, bit too far. I threw the ball a bit too far, far, far away. Bingo ran to bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bingo ran to bring it back so that we can play. He came back with nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. He came back with nothing at all. The ball had gone away. I went to go and take a look, take a look, take a look. I went to go and take a look. I looked around all day. I looked for the ball here and there, here and there, here and there. I looked for the ball here and there, but found nothing at all. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, lonely and sad, lonely and sad. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, without his favorite toy. Then there was a knock on the door, knock on the door, knock on the door. Then there was